Sa ngayon, andito tayo ngayon sa Legazpi City. Medyo mahangin pero wala nang ulan, wala na rin baha.
Hi. Now, I don't have the exact backstory, but itong si Mac Ortiz is actually a cameraman sa News 5 na kung saan na ideally magka-cover lang ng report ng camera shoot doon sa Albay, naging biglaang news reporter. And I so much appreciate that guy because kahit first time, kahit biglaan, he was able to deliver the news accordingly. And Mac Ortiz here is actually an example of how authentic a person can be, no? Kahit first time niya, because again, sa buhay natin hindi lahat ng bagay ay nasusunod accordingly, no? May mga times talaga na we will be able to encounter something for the very first time, yung something na hindi natin field or hindi natin expertise yet, pero bigla ang pinapa-encounter sa atin. And again, Mac here is a very big example of how authentic a person can be if his will, if his passion is to serve others and be able to do good for others, then we can be able to do something better as a person for others. So kudos sa you, Mac, and hopefully we'll be able to see more of your reports in the near future.
Keep going.